What if it's no good? What if it's not enough? It's too blue, too red, too small, too much, not blue enough. We often get stuck thinking everything needs to be flawless before we even begin. And guess what? Nothing. That need for perfectionism turns into procrastination. We're so focused on the end result, we don't even start. But back to the flowers. Here's the truth. Art is supposed to be messy. The best things you create come from happy little mistakes. Perfectionism kills joy. Art is the process and the joy of creating. Art is a playful reflection. If you're not having fun, then what is the point? Art is meant to be playful, imperfections and all. The need to control every little detail can block your creativity. When you stop aiming for perfection, you start seeing your true art style come through. One of the reasons why I love painting flowers is because it's like freedom. It's a sense of freedom. The flowers don't talk back. The bees love them. They always point towards the sun. It's like eternal optimism. And when you paint a flower, the flower doesn't care about perfection. It's not like they have perfection. They have an imperfect perfection. There is freedom in the movement and freedom in how you see a flower. The petals all shaped all different ways, but still perfect in their own way. And it's that perfect, imperfect, perfect that is beauty in itself. So next time you pick up the brush, embrace the imperfection and let the messy be a part of the process and make imperfectly perfect art.